Hi there, this is Jihad. If you are running Google Ad and suddenly seeing this pop up, plan to run EU political ads, don't worry. In this video, I will tell you what does it mean, how it's appear, and how we can fix it step by step. Google recently introduced strict transparency rules about EU political ads. It's just a mandatory confirmation step. You need to be careful if you are running ad related to political parties, election, government policy, social and political issue about in the European Union. If you are running local business, e-commerce, lead-based campaign, it's not about the issue. Most of the cases you are not running political ads on EU. So how we can fix the issue? Simply just click on the get start button. It will be redirect you in the verification center, and there is a very simple task they are saying to do. Just click on the start task. If you are running political ad, then you can select the yes option, and if you are lead based or e-commerce based business, then you can directly select on the no option. I am not running any EU political campaign, so that's why I'm selecting no and just click submit answer, and that's it. Now the pop-up will be goes. If this video help you, please like and subscribe for the more Google Ads and PPC related tips. Thank you.